All right, I hope you guys are excited today. I am extremely excited. I wish you can tell I am picking up my car that has gotten painted. When I tell you, I have spent, I don't know, so many thousands. I mean, we did a whole new engine rebuild, transmission. I got totes and totes of carbon fiber at the house. So I'm literally finna walk up to the door for the first time and see the car. So it's perfect. It's the right color. Oh my gosh, y'all look at this. Look at this. Holy shit. Holy. Oh my gosh.
Right. Well, that's what the
Yo, we finna be lit. Got the whole body kit coming, y'all. I can't get to y'all how excited I am. I cannot bring it to you. All right, y'all. I'll holler at y'all later. I'm gonna turn the camera around to help put the body kit on. Then he's gonna get the buffing and get the car all shiny and finished. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's go. Oh, now we good to go. Hey man, that bumper kind of looks like the GTR. Like, yeah. Hey, you know what's crazy? First. Okay.
All the light might have to come out first. Yeah, I think you gotta put the light in.
With me. Oh my gosh, I'm trying to stay calm right now, but seeing the body kit takes it from a regular CRX to a, yeah. I'm trying to stay calm, I want to jump up like a goddamn kid. Dude, I mean, radiator. I mean, it's so much stuff he did to this thing. I don't even remember anymore. And I have a brand new 350R at the house, alternator, that I have no idea how we're gonna get on here. Brand X. So, he wanted,
I like our Magnum too, but
yeah, he did a,
I like the idea you can transfer it.
for real, and lifetime warranty.
Yeah.
But I think he gave, on mine, it does 350 at 700 RPM. That's wild. Oh, I see what you're saying. I pulled the whole headlight casing gotta come out. Cause that's what's it. Okay.
You want them slightly tinted?
Nope. I don't think so. We'll see what we can put up there. Is this one screw? Oh, okay. Nice. Oh, there's the wrong angle. Nah. He told me what they are. That was expensive. But they come with the whole kit. It's for the whole engine bay.
So I gotta know, what is the white shit?
Huh?
What is it?
What
What
shit?
is the white shit?
What you talking about?
What paint is it?
Oh, that we did? Oh, we painted with tub paint. Oil-based tub paint.
That's good though.
I'm in.
That's probably why I got a chance to paint over it. Really, the only part that fucked up was where it wasn't sanded up. All right, this part.
I'm in. Holy shit! Boom! I am in.
Come over here and show me.
Probably got one more thing out. Let's sit out. Something's hitting. Oh, this grill's hitting. You see? Right there. Okay. I was like, something not going back, and I know every time I saw a force or something. Does it go under though? Hold on, let me see what I did over here. Yep. I went under it. And maybe this side. Oh, there it goes. Yep, that's it. Hold on. Let's put the car in and put it in park. In gear. Okay.
I can move it by myself if you just
For real.
leave me right out and I'll start going. Push his car. He's like, oh man, I'm trying to go. I was like, man, try to push his car. Just get in and off.
Oh, that my under still.
I think this is a little fat right here.
Oh, the headlight was blocking me. I think it was the headlight. Let's pull it out. Yeah, I got you. It's pried up a little bit.
That's for the original.
Okay.
Because it's hitting like right across there.
Okay, yeah. Well, that's okay as long as we can get. Now we don't need to cut. Well, yeah. Where's it? Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
No.
I think this is not right. Dude, we fought that fucking
There we go. Yep.
we fought that.
That's it.
We probably just had to split the gap and come to the conclusion that it shrank some. And like this one in the corner is just one kind of
Oh, for real?
there was nothing hitting, nothing stopping it. This old rubber, it just shrinks over the years. Like the Monte Carlos, they start to motor in and everybody calling on the street today has been replaced. Because that old 80s rubber, they shut the shred.
Yeah.
And it turns from a rubber to a plastic. They put this
Yep. Sit right there. It seems don't want to stay there. Buddy, I'm in. I am in. Oh, the corner lights. Yep. Watch out. Nah, you good. Yo, I'm sorry. That looks like the GTR bumper. I can't be tripping. Picasso. Yo. Outside of the hub.
To myself every summer. I can't breathe in it. It's like fucking 130 degrees in here. But we have an air next to it.
Maybe it, nope, it doesn't fit with the, it's okay.
A lot of these aftermarket stuff.
Yeah, it's all
I
right.
wasn't supposed to say that was black. No, because there was 2 cents of those. Maybe he never put his factory ones in when we took the kid off and thought they were for this or something.
What the? Huh?
Hold that down.
You can definitely tell this thing has been warped. Oh, it's fitting, but we're gonna need some elbow grease on this side.
Container of shrink that they got.
I was like, you do your side. You in?
Oh, it's just like the bottom piece.
I am all the way in. I'm in. Are you in?
I'm really close.
There we go. Huh, there we go. All right, so now we're on. All right, get your side. Oh, I'm pushing on the bottom too. You gotta go down a lot. Oh, there it is. I'm in all the way now. What's that? All right. Of course not. That would make sense.